Hello and welcome to UC Achievers. You're watching Grade 8 Second Term Past Paper discussion, and in this video we are going to give you the answers for Colombo Education Zone 2024 paper. Test 1. Select the correct group of letters and fill in the blanks. The first one is done for you. First one, peacock. Missing letters are EA. Second one, waterfall. Missing letters are TE. Third one, letter, double T. Number 4, birds. Missing letters are IR. Fifth one, school, double O. Children, IL. Number 7, airport, IR. Animal, NI. Mountain, TA. Teacher, EA. And world, OR. Test 2. Match the questions with the responses. Write the correct letter in the bracket. The first one is done for you. Number 1. Why didn't you come to school yesterday? Answer is C. My father is not well. Second one. What's wrong with him? He is suffering from fever. Did you take your father to the hospital? Yes, he was examined by a doctor. What did the doctor say? He advised my father to stay in bed. How is he now? He is much better. Are you coming tomorrow? Definitely. Test 3. Complete the sentences using suitable preposition given in the cage. Across, along, on, through, and by. First one. The little girl was running across the road when the car came fast. The boys walked along a muddy path and came to the river. Our journey by the train was very enjoyable. Look at that bird. On the tree, it has a long beak. We had to walk through a dense forest before we reached the village. Test 4. Complete the dialogue with the utterances given. I have lost my pen. Oh, where did you lose it? On my way to the library. Did you look for it? No, I didn't. Then somebody might pick it up. Oh, shall we go and search for it? All right, let's go. Test 5. Form meaningful words using the given affixes in the box. The first one is done for you. Beauty, beautiful. Number 2, correct, incorrect. Necessary, unnecessary. Patient, impatient. Profession, professional. Develop, development. Test 6. Match the opposite words. Write the correct number in the bracket. One is done for you. Sadness, happiness. Distant, near, narrow. White, expensive. Cheap, difficult. Easy, pretty. Ugly, safe, dangerous, heavy, light, inside, outside, local, foreign, early, late. Test 7. Write the correct word in the blank. The first one is done for you. Bouquet, troop, galaxy, gang, fleet, and set. First one, Tamara presented a bouquet of flowers to the guest. Number 2, a gang of thieves burgled our house. Third one, my brother got a fine set of tools for his birthday. Number 4, I saw a galaxy of stars with my binocular. Number 5, there was a fleet of ships in the sea. Number 6, they had hired a troupe of dancers for the opening ceremony. Test 8. Read the description given on the game cricket and write a paragraph on one of the following. Do not exceed 100 words. A. Badminton. B. Football. C. Netball. D. Volleyball. Cricket. Cricket is a very famous game among men and women. It is played in a playground. It is a team event. It is played by using a bat and a ball. There are 11 players on each side. People enjoy watching cricket matches. Football. Football is a very famous game among men. It is played in a playground. It is a team event. It is played by using a football. There are 11 players on each side. People enjoy watching football matches. Test 9. Read the passage and answer the questions. A deer came to a pond to drink some water. The water was still and clear, so he was able to see his own reflection in the water. He looked at his legs. They were thin and skinny. With a sigh, Deer said, "My horns are beautiful and I am proud of them, but my legs are ugly. I am ashamed of them." At this moment, he saw a tiger coming towards him. He turned quickly and ran into the jungle. His legs carried him farther and farther away from the tiger. While running, his horns got stuck in some low branches of a tree. He tugged and tugged. Luckily, he was able to free himself from the branches. He was nearly caught by the tiger because of his long and beautiful horns. But he could save his life thanks to his thin and skinny legs. The deer realized the value of reality versus appearance. Question number 1. What is the deer proud of? He is proud of his horns. Question number 2. Why is he ashamed of his legs? Because they are thin and skinny. Question number 3. Who came towards him? A tiger. Question number 4. Could he save his life? Yes. Question number 5. Underline the correct answer. First one. He was able to save his life with the help of his legs. Number 2. He got stuck by his nice horns. Write an essay on one of the following topics. Use about 75 to 100 words. A. The animal I like most. Where it lives. Why it is your favorite. How you look after it. B. My leisure time activity. When or with whom you do it. Who helps you to do it. Importance or significance of it. The animal I like most. My favorite animal is the dog. It lives in our house with my family. It is friendly, loyal, and intelligent. I like dogs because they love their owners and protect the home. My dog also plays with me every evening. I look after my dog by giving it food and clean water every day. I take it for a walk and keep its place clean. I also take it to the vet when it is sick. I love my dog very much. My leisure time activity. My favorite leisure time activity is reading storybooks. I usually read books in the evening after I finish my homework. Sometimes I read with my sister. My parents help me to choose good books from the library. Reading is very useful because it improves my knowledge and vocabulary. It also helps me to relax and use my free time in a good way. I enjoy reading different kinds of stories and I learn many new things from them. Test 11 Listening Test. Listen to the text 3 times and underline the correct answer. Horton Plains. Horton Plains National Park is situated in the central province of Sri Lanka near Nuwara. It is the highest plateau in the country. The park is home to about 24 species of animals. Baker's Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls located in Horton Plains. The park was discovered by Sir Robert Horton. The Mahaveli, Kalani, and Wallaby rivers begin from this area. Horton Plains is a beautiful natural heritage site, so we should protect it for future generations. A. Horton Plains is situated in the Southern Province, Central Province, Northern Province. Answer is Central Province. B. It is the lowest, highest, smallest plateau in the country. Answer is highest. C. There are 50, 30, 24 species of animals in the park. Answer is 24. D. Dung in the waterfall, Baker's Fall, Ella is located in the Horton Plains. Correct answer is Baker's Falls. Number 2, use a right for true statement and a wrong for false statements. A. Horton Plain is situated far away from Nuwara. As is wrong. Sir Robert Horton has discovered the park. That's correct. Ginganga, Kalani and Wallaby are major rivers that start from Horton Plain. Answer is wrong. We should protect it for the next generation. That's correct. Subscribe our channel now. Our dedicated English language channel for Sri Lankan students. UC Achievers for grade 6 to 9 English. UC Gen English for advanced level general English. UCAL English for O level English.